Hi, I'm Cody with GC Handrail, and I wanted to talk to you today about our easy quote and ordering system for our handrails. So this is what we generally need from you, is just a simple sketch, and this would be your existing house, and this is where the deck connects to your house, and this area out here is obviously what we need for our handrail. So we need to make sure we get these dimensions. They don't need to be down to the inch, but they need to be pretty close. So if it's 7 feet 10 inches, just round it up to 8 feet, or vice versa. If it's just a couple inches over, just round it the other way. It's not going to matter. And so we need every bit of the perimeter dimensioned. On the stairs, we definitely need how many treads you have and how long is the overall length of your stairs. So that's real important. And then again, just the dimensions. And so that's really all you need to provide to us, and we can come up with a quote for you on your deck. So once you do that, then what you'll get back in return is a drawing that we do of your deck. As you can see, we just go ahead and do a little computer generated, and these colors here indicate what posts that you need. And so over here is what posts those represent. And we also have the dimensions. The other thing we have is how we plan on stringing the cables here. And so that gives us enough to go ahead and do a quote for you. And for you, if you want to turn that into an order, we can go ahead and turn it into an order off of that. Thank you.